Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all will be fine and enjoying studying a lot at home. Today we will do practical number 5. Identify which food element is enriched with nutrients. Let's start. What is a nutrient? Nutrients are essential for the normal functioning of human body. Nutrient is a substance that provides nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth. Nutrient provides us energy and they are used for growth. Nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats and lipids, vitamins, minerals and water. There are three macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are the macronutrients, meaning they are one of the three main ways to obtain energy or calories for the body. Carbohydrates are the main energy giving food. If you are working or running about a lot, you need carbohydrates to give you energy. Carbohydrates are the major source of quick energy for us. 1 gram of carbohydrate provides 4 calories energy to the body. Carbohydrate is one of the basic food group and these are important for a healthy diet. Its main carbohydrate are the main energy giving food. क्विक एनर्जी गेन करने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा जो अहम सोर्स है वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं. These are essential for the proper body functioning and body require large amount of them. Carbohydrates are the sugar, starch and fiber found in fruits, vegetables and milk products. Other examples of carbohydrate containing foods are grains, bread, rice, potato, popcorn, spaghetti, porridge, cereal, pulses and nuts. Now, second major macronutrient is protein. Protein is an important part of a healthy diet. Proteins are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. And our body uses amino acid to build and repair muscles, tissues and bones. It means protein containing food enable our body to replace dead cells. Protein gives us energy. It means protein can also be used as an energy source. And now examples of protein containing foods are fish, meat. Meat include beef, mutton and chicken. And other examples are beans, eggs, bread, nuts and seeds. Protein is also found in dairy products, for example, in milk, in yogurt and in cheese. Third group of macronutrients are fats. Fats give us energy and help to keep the body warm. So it is important to have some amount of this group in our diet, but too much amount of these food can make us fat. We should eat fat containing food. फैट्स हमें एनर्जी देते हैं बट इनकी ज़्यादा अमाउंट हमारे लिए हार्मफुल हो सकती है. एंड द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फैट्स कंटेनिंग फूड्स आर फैटी मीट्स एंड फिश, चीज़, बटर, एवोकाडो, nuts and seed and chocolate. There are also many other examples of fats containing food and these are sweets, ice cream and fried food. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These are the macronutrients, means we require them in large quantities. And micronutrients are those nutrients that we require in small quantities. And minerals and vitamins are the micronutrients, means they are required in milligrams and microgram amounts. Minerals are micronutrients. These are needed in small amount by various parts of the body. calcium, iron, phosphorus, iodine, and salt are some minerals that you need. Calcium makes our bones and teeth healthy and strong, and iron is needed for the formation of red blood cells. Some other minerals which are required by body are potassium, sodium, magnesium, and zinc. Now, examples of mineral containing foods. Some minerals are found in liver, eggs, cereals, milk, cheese, and in fruits and vegetables. Now, vitamins. Vitamins are micronutrients. These are chemicals which our body needs in small amounts. Vitamins keep our bones and skin healthy, and they help our eyesight, give us energy, and prevent infection. They also help wounds to heal. There are different types of vitamins. For example, vitamin A, B, C, D, and vitamin K. It means vitamins are those micronutrients which are required by body in small amount for proper body functioning. And if this small amount will not be available, our body cannot function properly. So, we conclude that carbohydrate give us more nutrients and energy. Although fats give us more energy, but too much amount of fats group will be harmful for us.